Hello students, today we are going to synthesize hippuric acid, that is benzoyl glycine, from glycine and benzoyl chloride. For that we require 1 gram of glycine, 10 ml of 10% sodium hydroxide and 1.5 ml of benzoyl chloride. The glasswares which we require are conical flask, funnel, then we require glass drops. In a dry conical flask, take 1 gram of glycine and dissolve that glycine in 10 ml of sodium hydroxide. You can see that the glycine is completely dissolved in our sodium hydroxide. Now we are going to add benzoyl chloride. After the addition of benzoyl chloride, plug the conical flask with the cotton, and we have to shake that vigorously until the smell of benzoyl chloride is gone. After vigorous shaking, we can see a turbid color in a conical flask. The smell of benzoyl chloride is also gone. Now we are going to add 1 to 2 ml of concentrated HCl. Now we will add concentrated HCl to make our reaction mixture acidic, and we'll check it with the pH paper. Now our reaction mixture is acidic. We will now filter the product which is obtained. You can see the product is obtained at the base, and we'll give washing with water. We'll collect this at Buckner funnel. Filter the product and we'll give washing with water. This is the crude hippuric acid obtained after the synthetic procedure. Now we are going to recrystallize the crude using boiling water, 20 ml. After recrystallization, the product was dried, and here it is, the dried hippuric acid.